Iniibig niyo ba ang bayang ito?
Lumalaban ang patas, ngunit pag mga abuso'y lumagpas, mapipilitang mataya.
My campaign drugs will not stop until you have to shoot them dead, until the end of my term. Matay ka kasi galit ako sa government. You can hold me responsible for any death that has occurred in the execution of the government. Pero huwag ninyo akong bintangan dyan sa katayan na hindi mo alam kung sino pumatay.
Using as the opportunity to interview. The interview is achieving to enforce ethically justifiable.
What I find amusing is that your question is like literally my lesson yesterday and today and for them. So the question is using force ethically justifiable to achieve security? According to Lawrence Faulkner, in his moral theory of development, security, fear is the lowest level of morality. So we do what is right because we are afraid of doing the consequences of our decisions. And then Abraham Maslow naman, he has the theory of needs, the hierarchy of needs. Security is one of the lowest levels of needs. So if we're looking at it only from that context, that if using a lower ability justifiable to achieve a lower level need, kung yun lang, it should be acceptable. Pero, we're looking at your context. Your context is extrajudicial bit. This is the important context na kailangan i-consider dahil ang punishment is the loss of life. So if the fear of the loss of life is it enough to obey, syempre it will be more than enough. But the punishment is not proportional to the required actions. You're just asking someone to stop doing drugs. Pero pag hindi siya sumunod, papatayin siya. So it also overlooks a person's capacity to make their own decision. Siguro, it should only be used as a last resort. Pag nagamit mo na lahat ng options para patigilin isang tao, hindi yung agad natatakutin mo siya pag di mo ito ginawa ay papatayin na lang. So, if you add the context, it is not ethically acceptable.
Second question on what is your hope for the future when it comes to justice and human rights in the country?
I hope that everyone develops a sense of social justice. Yung pagmamahal sa kapwa nila and like the principles of universal acceptance ay paglalaban mo lahat ng tao simply because they're people, because we are all equal. At hindi yung namimili ang justice kung sino ang bibigyan nila ng patawan or parusa.
For sharing your thoughts, your answer is very meaningful and helpful for our project. And before we end, is there anything you would like to comment regarding justice and human rights as well?
Oh, human rights is universal. So we should respect it at all times, no matter what the situation is. Everyone has the inherent right to live.
That would be all. Thank you very much for your time and insight. Thank you.
Everyone deserves a fair chance. Justice, not chaos, should guide our stance.
No one is above the law, even the one those who enforce it. Power must answer to responsibility without flaw.
Ang pagkatao ay hindi nasusukat sa truth, not humor, not respect. Ang dapat manaig sa puso.
Ang tali bumibitaw sa kamay ng kasakiman.
Nais makalaya mula sa gapos ng kamalian.
Lumilipat sa akin, alam ko.
Sa bawat pag-ikot, muling sumisikat ang liwanag sa dulo ng dilim.
Hanggang kailan ang takot at kamatayan ang magiging kapalit ng katotohanan.